Yeah, it's going to be a very good game. Obviously the fans are back, so Sheffield Wednesday is a massive club and you know they're going to come in the numbers, so it's going to be a great game to play in for me and the lads. Yeah, it's a massive game. Like a lot of games are in this league this season, so it's one for us to relish and go in with no fear and try and take the 3 points like every game we will. Yeah, it's been a hard one obviously for the lads and the gaffer to get his ideas across with the isolation of players getting COVID and stuff like that, and people in the vicinity that have to self-isolate. So it's been a tough one for the players and the coaching staff. So it's just about getting every player on the training field, and the gaffer can work on what he needs to. So it has been hard for him, but with players coming back from injury also, we'll be a good team once we get everyone back and the gaffer can work on what he wants to work on with the whole squad. Yeah.